Just off of Old Reston Avenue and American Dream Boulevard, the A. Smith Bowman Distillery is a two-story brick building, which originally served as a community platform and a church here in Fairfax. The first floor was utilized as the Wheelie Town Hall, and the second floor was dedicated to the Wheelie Methodist Episcopal Church. In 1886, Dr. C.A. Max Wheelie, a Philadelphia physician, purchased about 3,200 acres of land. Wheelie intended to establish a planned community complete with parks, lakes, houses, and self-sustaining local businesses. However, plans for expansion began to flounder, and the property was sold. Kentucky-born A. Smith Bowman purchased the town of Wheelie in 1927 and renamed it Sunset Hills. Bowman established in 1934 what is known today as the A. Smith Bowman Distillery, the historic structure that originally served as the Wheelie Town Hall was converted into a distillery warehouse. The second story was renovated to make space to hold the large oak barrels, and grain was used to make the bourbon whiskey. It was sold under the names Virginia Gentleman and Fairfax County. Supplanted by huge corrugated steel warehouses that could house over 1 million gallons of bourbon for aging, the Bowman Distillery was abandoned during the late 50s. And in 1987, the A. Smith Bowman Distillery moved its operations to Spotsylvania County, Virginia. Formerly Sunset Hills, today the town of Reston is a fully developed community, a successful venture of the New Town movement of the 60s via Robert E. Smith's vision. It is, as planned, a mixture of commercial and residential uses. At its core, Reston is the nucleus of the old Sunset Hills farm, ever reminding new residents of the rich rural lifestyle that once was.
We hope you will take this opportunity to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the National Historic Preservation Act with Fairfax County. Be sure to visit the county's website for more information.